Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. It was a quiet day. I mean, Solana is kind of trying to reverse there at the moment to the upside, but it really is very, very weak. This move to the upside, there is currently no strong evidence that there is a successful reaction to support. Okay, so I would not be surprised if we re-enter lower support, especially with Bitcoin currently being in a small pullback, a tiny pullback. This B wave could easily extend. Yeah. Let's talk about it a little bit. Not too much happened though. Okay, all support levels are still holding. The upper one is rather weak the way it looks right now, and this price action is starting to get very, very choppy. Now the problem is the context is quite unclear, I would say, or messy, because the move to the upside from the 10th of October low is only a 3-wave move up. Then we had a 3-wave move down. And the idea is, okay, because we formed a higher low, the market might set up for higher prices. But upside momentum is very weak. Very weak, yeah. And we are not yet above the key resistances that we talked about in the previous videos. Okay, what are those key resistance levels we want to see the market above? Well, we want to see the market break above here. Key resistance in the area around 200. Yeah, now it's around 210 to $213. So it's the yellow trend line which is moving up here, which is a larger trend line that's from the larger time frame, yeah. And then the previous swing high here from around $212, the swing high from the 14th of October. So what I'm tracking at the moment is in a third wave, a possible A, B, C structure. But that B wave, if it really bottomed, the market should hold above the 78.6 retracement of that upper support area at $186.40. But currently, I only see 3 waves up from the Monday low. So it's not yet clear that we've really bottomed. It's actually quite a weak uptrend there and only a 3-wave move up. So no evidence whatsoever that we've bottomed and that we've started a third wave. That does not give me third wave vibes. As a consequence, I think a deeper B wave is very likely. How would that look like? Now, I would have to say that we might have extended this wave A once more, and we're now in a B wave pullback. Yeah, it just looks a bit messy, but actually it kind of makes sense because all of this is a diagonal pattern. So the 5th wave also was an A, B, C structure like this. Yeah. And then we have a completed 5th wave, and it can try to form that pullback again. I'm going to remove the upper micro support. I don't think it's going to hold. It might do. I mean, essentially, it's important we're holding above $178. So that's what it could do. It's just weak for now. Okay, so those are the levels I'm still watching between $178 and $185. It would require a break above that A wave high at $194.70 to signal the start of the C wave up. That's the update on Solana. Just a quick update. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also make sure you follow us on X for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. I'll leave a link for you guys in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.